Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Porsche design sunglasses, model P8632 in color code D. Color of the frame is silver. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also in aviator shape. On its temple, you'll find the Porsche design logo engraved. On its top left lens, you'll find the Porsche design logo, also engraved. On its inner right temple is again the Porsche logo, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimension of its temple, which is 140. The glasses also come with a Porsche design hard case, a Porsche design box, a black Porsche cleaning cloth, a Porsche card of authenticity, and a Porsche booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.